So Saturday at the Nishan household, we're gonna roast a free-range chicken. We're gonna raise our grandchild right, giving him some good roasted spatchcock chicken. So here we have a free-range chicken. You can see this is a long, slow-growth bird because it's very, very long. It's not fat, it's not plump, more naturally raised, not bred for speed of growth. Got a nice feather here. So, just take a look around, make sure that you don't have any Klingons like that feather. And here's another difference. You can see this like gorgeous yellow natural fat. That's good stuff. That means that this is a long, slow growth bird. So I'm going to start by using the wings and the back for stock. So what I like to do is call it kind of a French cut.
Excuse me.
Camera woman, all good. So I take the knife, I just insert it, rake it along the bone until I hit that piece of cartilage, and then you can see just like that. And then I can just peel that back a little bit and then cut. Now, the next thing that I like to do is to separate the legs and thighs from the body. So I cheat, I start a little bit higher on the thighs so that I reserve more skin for the breast while it's roasting, because it gets nice and crispy skin. Once I make the cut, I just push my fingers under the rib cage, pull the legs and thighs back until they make a popping noise. And you can see I've dislocated that joint. So now I can turn the chicken over, go down to where the skin meets this section of the back, and that's what's affectionately known as the oyster, which is a really delicious nugget of meat. Don't miss the oyster. And then I just pull. One leg and thigh section, same thing here. And you want to butcher your own chicken because it costs 4 times more to buy a spatchcock chicken than it does to just butcher your own. It's worth it. So once I have this, I just break the back, take this cleaver, same thing. Thank you, Stephen, for making me this incredible cleaver. And now I'm going to take the back out of the bird, which is this simple. Just take my cleaver, pull that out, cut it in half once, put that into my chicken stock. Now you can see the middle of the breastplate here. I'm just going to insert my knife into this piece of cartilage, and then I'm going to, again, split and expose the breastbone. Take my finger down both sides of that breastplate to pull that out. Now I'm going to get rid of the rib cage. So a lot of spatchcocked chickens really leave these bones in. And I don't like that because I really like to get these bones, because they're so small, it doesn't take them long to cook and make a beautiful stock. And I'm going to reduce this stock and use it to make a really wonderful sauce. And you notice that I've separated the legs and the thighs from the breast because they cook at different times. All very valuable for flavor. And all very valuable for texture. Legs and thighs and breasts just don't cook at the same time, so I like to keep them separate, unlike most spatchcock birds. So you can see I just follow the lines of the bones, leaving as much meat as I can until I get to the joint where it joins the wing of the chicken. A little pop, a little strength, and boom. There you have a spatchcock chicken. Now I take trimmings of fat and skin, I add it to the stock because that's going to give me a little bit of chicken fat. Now I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to make a roux and a gravy or whether I'm going to just reduce the sauce and whisk in a little bit of butter and maybe a touch of chicken fat, but that fat is flavor and it's also great for cooking